So after we have created final resume.txt combining new resume.txt and my resume.txt, final resume.txt gets added into document directory. Okay, because we did not specify any address, it directly gets stored in the document directory itself. Now, one important thing, when you type pwd and get the address, Control C and Control V do not work. Okay, unlike in Windows, Control C and Control V do not work for copy and paste. To use copy and paste, you have to select. You have to select first. If you are on a mouse, left click and then drag the pointer to select the content. Okay, after selection, click on one right click, it gets copied, and then now go to the command prompt where beside when you're beside dollar, again click on right button of the mouse so that you can paste the content. And sixth question, create a directory at home directory labeled important. Okay, so home is above public and private. Okay, so that is simple. So presently we are in documents, just cd so that you go to home. Okay, so when you click cd, you are above public and private. If you want to check if you are above public and private, just click on ls. Public and private are below your home one. So here just create a new directory. It is asking for creation of new directory named important. Okay, mkdir space important. Okay, now click on ls. Sorry, click on ls. You can see important directory has also been created. Now question number 6 is done. So in question number 7, it says copy the file myresume.txt to the important from your present directory. Presently we are over here. Okay, we just created this directory important and we are over here. Now we have to copy the file which is in another folder, another directory, that is myresume.txt, which is in data, which is in public, and you have to paste it in the child directory. Means important is present right over here. Okay, so you know that a copy command has a syntax of cp space source space destination. All right, now let's try to do that. Now we are in the home folder. Now if you click ls, you have the important, private and public. Now first one, before you use copy command, your source file which is resume.txt is present in another directory. Okay, so you need proper address of that directory. Okay, you need proper address of this. So first what you do is cd into the source directory. So cd public and it is in data. Please use tab button and then enter. Now print the working directory which is this. Okay, so in here you have myresume.txt. Okay, I think this is some gibberish. I'll tell you here only, to remove unwanted files you have to use the command rm. Okay, rm space the file name removes the unwanted files. Now over here if I want to remove import clear, I don't know, it might have come by mistake while I was working. So rm im. Okay, just type the starting letter and click tab, it will automatically read it, and click enter. Now you click ls, you will have the file deleted. So now when you come to the 7th question, to use the copy command, you have the source file inside data. So you have to write cp space the entire address to the source file. Okay, but the destination is right inside where you are. Okay, it is right inside where you are. So you're in the root. Now over here that is important. Okay, so what you do, write cp and copy entire address so that your file over here is present in this, and now this slash and write my, and for few if you click tab it will read the file, otherwise write the entire name without spelling mistakes. And then we completed writing cp, writing source space the destination. Where is the destination? You have to place it inside the important directory, okay, which you have just created. Now to check whether if it is in the right place or not, when you click im and tab, it doesn't read. Why? Because when you see the address over here, it is inside still public and data only. That is, we are still over here. We didn't move over here. We're still over here. For checking the PWD, we came over here, right? We're still over here. So that's why this IMPR space tab, it doesn't read it because it is over here. So now after we know that myresume.txt is present inside public and data. After it's clear, now we have to move to the actual place where we were at the start. That is where were we at the parent of important, that is at the root. So when you press cd, you're again at the root. Now you are again standing over here. Okay, now you have to copy the file. Copy. Now the source file exists inside data, but we know that address of the data is this. Okay, now click according to the commands, just as I said, that is left click and drag the pointer to select the content. After selection, one right click over the content so that it gets copied, and another right click at the dollar prompt to paste that. Now cp source is this, and here you have to write the file name, which is myresume.txt, and then space. The destination is im, and tab clicks gives you the important folder directly. Okay, the important is red now. Okay, it is being read, so it is present. If you directly click enter, directly myresume.txt will be copied into important. If you want to save it with another file name, you can write another file name over here, but for now just click enter so that the resume from the data folder is transferred into important directory. Okay, now let's cd, sorry, let's ls. We'll see that there is important. We have to check whether the myresume.txt has been entered into important or not. So cd into important, and then ls. Yes, myresume.txt has been entered into important directory. So with that, we complete number 7. So remove the file myresume.txt from document. Simple. As I told you, to remove a file, you have to use the rm command space the file name. So let's do that. Where you have to first let's clear all this. When you write clear, it gets cleared. Now you are presently at important folder cd. Then you come to home. Now remove the myrem from document. Where is document? Document is inside private folder. Okay. So go to private cd private, and inside private there is document do tab. Inside document there is what are the final resume and new resume. What they want you to delete from document. Okay, my resume.txt, we actually renamed my resume.txt to new resume.txt. For now let's delete new resume.txt for execution. Okay, rm rm new resume.txt. When you click enter and when you click ls, so new resume.txt is deleted. Okay, this is actually not my resume.txt. It is new resume.txt. Fine. So we deleted that. So what is the command? rm space new resume.txt or the file name. In question number 9, place new resume.txt into important from present working directory. So just now we deleted this new resume.txt. Now we have to place final resume.txt into important. Okay, so presently we are over here. Okay, at present we are in the document section. Okay, there is only one file name, which is, so what we have to do is place the final resume.txt which is in the document. We are presently, where are we present as of now? We are present inside document, that is we are present over here. Okay, from the present working directory you have to copy this final resume.txt into important. So from here you have direct access to this, so you need not write entire address. Okay, to copy, what you have to do, place the file into important from present directory. To place import, to move a file, so that is here he's asking to move a file from one location to another directory. So what you do, you have to use the move command. Okay, even if you click copy also, that will happen, but if you use move, there will be no file present over here. Directly it will be moved over here, but he's asking to place final resume.txt into important from present working directory. Okay, if you use move, this will be deleted from here. Okay, it will completely enter into important directory. If you copy from here to there, simple, the command is simple. Instead of mv you use cp. Okay, he's asking to place final resume, so you have to move it. See, questions won't be this complex in case of your exams. Okay, it will be easy. In this case, don't directly jump onto grammar. I'm explaining you the concept. Okay, it is either mv or cp, both are fine. It will place the file into the important. Okay, in both the cases, what you use in case of MV, you write MV source and destination. Even in CP, you write source and destination. Simple. Okay, now in this case, let's go for MV because we already use CP a lot. So what you do, okay, we are inside document. Now MV, what is the source name? Final resume.txt, f5 final resume.txt, and directory's name is important, but important is another directory. Okay, it is a parent directory. This does not have access to this one. So what you have to do, you have to write the entire path of important directory. So to get the important directory's path, what you have to do initially, you have to go to important directory, go to home, press CD, and then CD to important, and now click PWD so that you get the entire path, and now you write whatever command you want. So now we are in important, right? We have to go back to the place initially where we were. We were at document. So CD, now CD to private and private to document, and now here we have final resume.txt. Okay, initially at where we read the question, we were at document. So again we move to document. Just to copy the address, we went to important. Now you have to move the file final resume to important. MV space source name, source address is sources final resume.txt space. Now important is a directory we want to paste it in. Copy and paste it over here. Okay, if you want to write slash, it's better. Now click enter. Okay, to check if this has been executed correctly or not, go to important, cd important. Okay, and now ls, you can see that final resume.txt has been placed inside important. Okay, now list all the directories and files available in data directory. Okay, to list all the files and directories available in the data directory, what you have to do, first clear the clutter, and now cd to home. Now where is data? Data is inside public. Okay, now cd to public and cd to data. Now here click on ls. Okay, there is only one file which is present inside data directory. Okay, only one file which is present inside data directory, that is my resume.txt. So that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, if you want me to cover any topics, please write down in the comment section. Thank you.